Hey guys, I'm back. So yeah, I have some food here because I'm really hungry. And wait, let me just, so basically I was done cooking just now and I suddenly heard a ringing from my intercom. We have intercom here, but the thing is it doesn't work. It can ring but I cannot answer. Something wrong with it. So if I hear ringing from the intercom, I know that it's definitely probably from the security downstairs or the office, because I'm expecting a parcel. So yeah, I came down and then yeah, they called and I couldn't answer. So I asked from them what is it, and I got my parcel. So basically I bought a coat rack online from Lazada and it's pretty affordable, quite cheap, about 35 ringgit, because it's just I think it's a plastic or steel one. So yeah, because I needed something to hang my bags and stuff, or other people's bags. So guys, let's just get on with this. I'm sorry in my previous video it was kind of noisy in the background, or maybe it's because of the wind outside and the rain, but now I closed the windows already, and I don't know, I hope there's not much sound except for the sound of me eating. I'm sorry, there are some of you, or I think one of you told me to do an ASMR eating show, but I'm not sure how to do it, and I'm not sure how my camera works with it, because you still can pretty much hear noise in the background, but we'll see. So basically I think this is cold already because I had to go downstairs and pick up the parcel. So basically I made pasta with I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Is it focusing? I don't know if it, I hope it's focusing. Oh, I have to touch you probably. Wait. There you go. So guys, I made some pasta with sardine, you know, the sardines in the can. So I made that, and I cooked that already previously, and so I just mixed it with some pasta. And then this is some chicken bun pastry. I bought it one of the malls yesterday. Me and my husband went out. So yeah, it's basically chicken, and I don't know which one is chicken and mushroom, but I think they all look the same. But sorry guys. Yeah, that's a better look. Basically it's all of it is chicken. I just don't know which one is the mushroom or the honey chicken, so whichever. Oh, I have here some pepper. We need pepper. I love lots of pepper. I'm sorry if this meal is boring for you guys, but that's all I have in the kitchen. I mean, for today. Oh, this is one. Basically when we first moved in, we bought a lot of groceries, but our fridge is actually pretty small. It's sort of like a mini small fridge, the smallest one, so can't really fit everything in there. And then most of the groceries that we bought got expired, so I figured I don't want to buy much anymore. So basically if I want to cook something, like only when I want to cook something I'll go buy, like if it's like a local dish or something. And I rarely cook like dishes much, only sometimes when my husband comes back early or when I feel like it. But usually I actually just eat noodles, and probably just I take away from downstairs because there's a restaurant downstairs. They have local dishes like nasi goreng kampung, you know, typical fried rice and stuff, noodles. So let's go guys, I'm gonna eat this. Jemput makan, let's eat. I think this is a better view than from when I'm at home at my parents' house, but I think both angles are okay. I hope you can see. It's not bad, because when I was cooking the previously. I think that sardine thing that I cooked, it was like, I think like 2 weeks ago, but it's still edible because it's processed. It's a canned sardines. But to eat it with pasta, I think it's good. At that time, it was really salty, but I think the taste is not that salty anymore when you eat it with pasta. Oh my god, this is delicious. Should try it, guys. Sardine pasta. It's just like sardine fried rice. When we go to like local tom yum food restaurants, or you know, hawkers, we have nasi goreng sardine, so it's called fried rice sardine. It's really delicious. This is basically the same thing, pasta with sardine. I actually wanted to boil more pasta, but then it's like, I thought it was a lot, but it's actually not that much. But because I already have this 3 chicken bun pastries. I mean, if you can eat tuna with pasta, of course you can eat sardine with pasta, right? Not bad. I might have this again for dinner. This is like, I'm eating lunch at 4 p.m. Crazy. I'll give you a tour of this house, studio, apartment sometime, and the facilities as well, maybe. Oh no, I need tissue. This is good. Try it, guys. Sardine with pasta. It's spicy-ish. It's nice. And add a lot of pepper. Yum, yum, yum. I feel glad that I'm back on making videos again, because I really like sharing what I eat, actually. And I really missed out on making videos on the Hari Raya food. And then there was oh, my birthday was actually last month, so I missed out on making videos for that too, because we had a lot of delicious food, and my birthday was we celebrated along with my nephew and my brother-in-law. We have the same birthdays in August. And then there was another celebration for all Muslims, which is the Hari Raya Haji, Eid al-Adha, which is just last week. We also had a lot of great food. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys, but I will make a point to definitely, I guess we'll just have to wait next year, but it's not that long time away. Time flies fast, so I'm really gonna, the next time I'm really gonna vlog it. But that's next year. But there will be other occasions coming, maybe. I mean, there's gonna be other birthdays or other oh sorry, other birthdays, other outings, or other, there's gonna be a lot more food that we can, you know, have for eating shows. No problem, because I'm back, so it doesn't matter. And yeah, it's just gonna be all about food. And I'm sorry you really missed out a lot on delicious foods that we have for Hari Raya. Oh my god, seriously. Perhaps, oh sorry, I'm gonna cook for you guys what I had for Raya. Only the dishes that I know how to cook, because like there's rendang. I don't really know rendang much, but I guess I can get the recipe from either my mom or my husband. And my mother-in-law's rendang is really delicious, but it's super spicy, and I don't really know how to do hers. But I've seen my mom doing, because my mom's one is simple and not spicy. But it's okay, I can just ask my husband how, and I'm gonna show you guys definitely, because since you missed out on our Raya food, on the birthday food, I mean birthdays, for birthday we just had catering, so but that's okay. But I'll show you our Raya food, probably a cooking show maybe, or cooking thing, because I really want to show you guys what, you know, our local foods as well. I'm so sorry guys, it's just I wasn't really prepared to get back on a video this past month. Okay guys, let's get on with this. Oh, it seems that there's two with sesame. Ugh, there's two with sesame. Hello. Or never mind, maybe if I do like that. Yeah, you have to do that hand thing guys. So this two, there's sesame on it, okay, and this one doesn't have sesame on it, so I don't know which one. So I'll try the one with the sesame on it first. I think this is a honey one, because I bought honey and chicken. Honey chicken, and the other one is chicken mushrooms. So this one tastes like honey. Can you see what's inside? It's pretty dark. Yum. But it's really delicious. I'm making a mess. The TV is right in front of me, but I muted the volume. This is very good. I can't wait to open this parcel. I don't know. Looks like I'm gonna have to probably DIY it myself. Or if I can't, then I'll just have to wait till my husband gets home so he can assemble it. Okay. No, I need more drink. Okay. Wait. How come this one doesn't have sesame? Shit. Which one did I eat? I forgot. I ate the sesame one, right? Or like, did I? Oh my god. Anyway, so this is the one without the sesame. Yeah. What the hell? I think this is the honey one. Oh my god. I can't even tell the difference between honey and mushroom. They almost taste, all of them almost taste the same. Jeez. I think it's definitely the honey one. This is definitely the honey one. Because it tastes sweeter than this one. I actually prefer this one, the mushroom one. So. It's like a pie or something, right? Mmm. Oh no, it's red.